All right, so let's get started. Given two strings s and t, so we're given string 1, that is s, and another string, that is t. Return true if they are equal when both are typed into empty text editors. So string 1 s is typed and string t is also typed. We have to check the equality of these string s and string t, and when both are typed into empty text editors, hash means backspace character, where hash means the backspace characters, and we have to check the equality of both the strings, string s and string t. And so like it's a pretty straightforward question. Like given the example, string a is s, b hash c, and string t is a d hash c. So we can the intuitively idea of stack comes whenever like I hear the word text editors, because like it is what in the past we've solved like parenthesis questions. This is how they are solved. So a is inserted, great. B is inserted. Now there's a hash. Before writing hash, we need to know that whenever we counter hash, we need to cancel the element. So as of now, there's only a, and then there is c. All right. Now string t. This is s. First is A, then C. B was removed because there was hash after it. And C, A, then we inserted D. Then there's a hash, so we'll just cancel it out. And then there's a C. So it has A and C as well. It has A and C as well. So S is equal to T. Indeed, S is equal to T. Similarly, for the A, B hash hash, A, B hash, which will cancel this. Again, a hash, which will cancel this. C hash, cancel, it will be cancelled. D hash, it will be cancelled. So there's an empty string both. So yeah, example 2, example 1, and similarly for example 3 also, A will be cancelled but C will remain, and here this is just a B. So first string is C, then second is having the value. So it is indeed false. So let's just go on to code, and it's pretty straightforward solution. So we'll take two stacks, stack 1 comma stack 2, and finish. Like these are two stacks. And so what are we going to do? We will iterate over s for I in s if I, or I'll just name it car for better readability. If car equals to hash, and there is stack, there is some value in stack 1, so we are going to pop it, stack.pop, because if there is no value, if no value, then then we can't remove our backspace, right? Else we'll check if car equals to, car is not equal, so yeah, car is not equals to this, then we will like append, and this is stack 1, this is also stack 1, and remain car. Similarly for t as well, we will do the same, or I can just copy this part because it's exactly the same logic for t as well. It's nothing changed. Doesn't mean I'm copying someone else's code. I'm just copying my own logic, because obviously we can do some way like in this where we can put it in single loop. I don't know, but like this seems more appropriate, this seems more understandable. So yeah, we can still go with it. So yeah, and at the end we will check if len of stack 1 equals to len of stack 2, because this is the primary condition. If both are equal, then they must be having equal length. And after that we will check if all the elements inside them are same. This is index this is a concept, or you can say a trick that I often follow. As for a and b and zip, we'll zip all the elements of stack 1 and stack 2, and that's pretty much it. If we run this, so yeah, it's accepted. Pretty efficient as well. So yeah, that was it.